Good morning students, we are continuing lesson number 5 special effects in PowerPoint 2013. Children, last time we studied about the views in presentation. PowerPoint allow us to see our presentation in various views. Whenever we start PowerPoint program, we always work in the normal view. To change the views, we use view buttons. View buttons are located at the bottom of PowerPoint window just near the zoom setting options. We can click on various view buttons and we can change the view of our presentation. There is another method to change the view is a use of view tab. When we click on a view tab, there is a presentation view group. Various view buttons are located. With the help of these buttons, we can change the view of our PowerPoint presentation. First, normal view. Children, as I told you, it is a default view. We can do editing work, we can write our contents, we can delete the contents, we can create a new slides, delete slides, we can rearrange our slides, we can add text, graphics, sounds, animation effects, transition effects in normal view. In normal view, we see individual slide in a larger view, and left side of the slide we see thumbnail of all the slides. With the help of thumbnail view, children, we can switch between the slides. This is a normal view where in the left side we see thumbnails of all the slides, and in right side pane, that is a slide pane, we see the current slide. We can easily edit the current slide. Slide sorter view. In this view, we see all the slides in a miniature form, and mostly it is used to arrange the slides in presentation. We can just change their order, we can also copy the slides, we can move the slides, we can delete the slides, and whenever we click on the slide to select it, we see a thick border comes around it. Notes page view. Children, in PowerPoint we have a facility of writing notes with our slides. These notes are helpful for the presenter when a presenter is presenting the PowerPoint presentation in front of audience, and whatever the notes we write with the slides do not show during the slideshow of the presentation. Reading view. Reading view is used to finally view our presentation before actually seeing in a slideshow view, and it is just like a slideshow view, but we see the view is coming in a window. We can easily control our presentation. We want, we can exit from reading view by pressing the escape key. Outline view. Children, this view shows the outline of all the slides. It shows title, subtitle and text we have typed in the left pane of the PowerPoint window. In this view, we can easily edit the text. Now, today we will discuss about the slide master. Children, slide master is used to control the complete PowerPoint presentation. It is a top slide that control all the information like theme, layout, background, font of slides. And also it is an easy way to adjust the look of all the slides or specific slides. We can easily modify the layouts. Whenever we edit the slide masters, we can see the changes are coming on all the slides in the presentation. To make the changes in slide master, what we will do, we will click on a view tab, and when we click on a view tab, we see master views group comes. On that, we have to click on a slide master button. Children, when we click on a slide master button, slide master view will open, and we see that master slides are coming in the left pane, and the first slide will be the master slide of the presentation. In slide master, each slide below the slide master is a master slide for the supporting layout. Whatever the changes we made to the master slide of that particular layout, it will reflect to all the slides that we have made according to that layout. बच्चों मास्टर स्लाइड व्यू में क्या होता है, मास्टर स्लाइड के नीचे जितनी भी स्लाइड्स होती हैं वो सब भी मास्टर स्लाइड्स होती हैं सपोर्टिंग लेआउट के लिए. जो भी लेआउट हमने चूज़ किया होता है अपनी स्लाइड्स के लिए, उस लेआउट पे बेस्ड जितनी भी स्लाइड्स होती हैं उसमें वो चेंजेस रिफ्लेक्ट हो जाते हैं जो हम उस लेआउट से रिलेटेड मास्टर स्लाइड में करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ़ वी हैव यूज्ड टाइटल स्लाइड लेआउट for slide number 1 and slide number 3 in our presentation, then it will only just reflected to the slide number 1 and slide number 3. See children, when we hover our mouse pointer on the master slide of title slide layout, it shows that it is applicable to the slide number 1 and 3 because slide number 1 and 3 is based on टाइटल स्लाइड लेआउट. हम अगर अपना माउस पॉइंटर मास्टर स्लाइड पे ले जाएंगे जो कि टाइटल स्लाइड लेआउट को सपोर्ट करती है तो वो शो करेगा स्लाइड 1 एंड 3. इसका मतलब ये है कि हमने स्लाइड 1 और स्लाइड 3 टाइटल स्लाइड लेआउट के बेस पर डिज़ाइन की हुई है. एंड नाउ वी विल फॉर्मेट द प्लेस होल्डर ऑफ टाइटल स्लाइड इन द मास्टर स्लाइड ऑफ टाइटल स्लाइड लेआउट. And we will close the slide master view, and these changes will reflected to the slide 1 and slide 3. It will not reflected to slide 2 because slide 2 is not based on the title slide layout. Now see children, slide number 1 before making the changes in master slide and after making the changes in master slide. See the difference. We have formatted the title placeholder. In slide number 2 there is no changes because slide number 2 is not based on title slide. It is based on title only slide layout. And slide number 3 has also changes reflected because this slide is also based on the टाइटल स्लाइड लेआउट. तो हमने जिस लेआउट की मास्टर स्लाइड में चेंजेस किए हैं वो केवल उन्हीं स्लाइड्स पर रिफ्लेक्ट होगा. थैंक यू.